The meme coin market shifts in a flash. 1 second a token moons from hype, and the next, it completely tanks. After launching various projects and learning from countless mistakes along the way, I built a reliable process that beats just hoping for luck or chasing random pumps. In this video, I'll take you step by step through my exact launch workflow, from minting the token to funding liquidity and tracking the market. One of the most important lessons I learned was to stop treating every token like a quick cash grab and start treating it like a real project. A solid concept, clear branding, and smooth execution give you a massive edge when fighting for attention. Lately, my main focus is on building and launching new meme coins. When I started out, I used pump.fun because it was incredibly easy and had huge volume. It's great for learning the ropes, but the space is cutthroat, and even a solid idea can vanish with bad timing. Eventually, I needed a launch method that offered greater control over my token and liquidity, which brought me to Raydium. This ecosystem provides better flexibility, and once your liquidity pool is live, the token trades directly across the broader Solana network. For the actual token minting, I rely on Splix.fun. It automates the heavy technical lifting, so you don't need to manually code smart contracts or have deep blockchain expertise. You can configure and launch an entire token in just a few minutes. Step 1. Create the branding. Before traders check a chart, they look at the name and logo. That's exactly why I start there. A striking image makes scrollers pause and immediately grasp the token's vibe. Concepts can stem from memes, influencers, viral trends, or anything commanding current attention. For today's launch, we're building around the massive hype of the GTA 6 leaks. The goal is to take the viral energy of those leaks and turn it into a memorable meme coin called GTA 6 Hackers. It instantly connects with gaming culture and the crypto degenerates surrounding it. Before uploading your logo, make sure the image is scaled to 128 by 128 pixels, which is the platform's standard requirement. Step 2. Create the token. Now head over to Splix.fun and connect your Solana wallet. Fill in the basic details. Set the name to GTA 6 Hackers and the ticker to G6H. Upload the 128 by 128 logo we prepared earlier. Once it all looks good, we can move to the token configuration. Step 3. Description and information. For most of these launches, you don't need to overcomplicate the default settings. The description is your chance to quickly pitch the meme or give people a reason to remember it. For GTA 6 Hackers, I'd keep it punchy and directly tied to the concept. For example, leaking the biggest gains before release. You can also link your Twitter, Telegram, Discord, or website if you want to grow a real community around the project. If you're just testing the waters for market momentum, you can keep these extra fields to a minimum. Step 4. Secure the token. This is a crucial part of the setup. Before going live, I strongly suggest reviewing your token authorities and removing the ones you don't need. First is the freeze authority. Revoking this means you can no longer freeze buyer accounts or stop transfers. Next is the mint authority. Once revoked, no more tokens can ever be created, meaning the supply is permanently capped. Lastly, the update authority. Removing this stops anyone from altering the token's metadata later on. Savvy Solana traders always check for these revoked permissions before buying. Leaving unnecessary authorities enabled acts as an immediate red flag. So, make sure these match what you actually want the token to be before launching. Step 5. Launch and verify. Everything is ready. Hit launch and approve the transaction in your wallet. Clears throat. After it confirms, your GTA 6 Hackers token is officially live on Solana. Now jump over to SolScan to double-check that everything minted properly. You can view your total supply, holders, transactions, and other on-chain data directly from the blockchain. At this stage, the token exists, but it needs liquidity before people can actually trade it. Step 6. Create the liquidity pool. Now we hop over to Raydium. Connect that same wallet and spin up a new liquidity pool for your GTA6 Hackers token. For token A, pick G6H and input how much of your supply you want to provide. For token B, choose SOL and input the amount you're willing to pair it with. This exact ratio depends entirely on your risk tolerance and strategy. Never provide more capital than you're comfortable putting at risk. Once you're happy with the numbers, confirm the transaction. When it completes, the G6H/SOL pool is live on Raydium. Traders can now interact with it, and the pair will start showing up on Solana charting interfaces. Step 7. Monitor the launch. Here is where patience pays off. Pull up the live chart and observe the market action. You obviously can never predict the exact outcome. Every launch draws a unique mix of bots, early buyers, traders, and momentum chasers. But after watching enough of these, the patterns become clear. Some tokens explode with volume instantly, while others need time to catch fire. Sometimes the first wave triggers massive momentum, and other times it dumps right away. The key is to react to the actual market rather than assuming every launch behaves the same. Let's see how GTA6 Hackers plays out. Video speeds up. After the pool has been active for a bit and our position has grown significantly, I switch my focus to protecting the results rather than blindly hoping for a higher chart. If your strategy involves pulling liquidity, go back to splix.fun and open the Liquidity Management tab. Click the minus button, slide the percentage to 100% and approve the transaction. Once it clears, your liquidity is removed from the Raydium pool. And that's the entire process. We kicked this off with just one SOL to fund the launch, and our balance is now around 5 SOL. So it's a big win. Naturally, every token launch behaves differently. There are zero guarantees in crypto, and a successful launch doesn't mean the next one will do the same. What matters is sticking to a repeatable process, managing your risk, and learning from each launch instead of relying purely on luck. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Solana and memecoin tutorials. And if you want to follow future launches, strategies, and giveaways, join the Telegram.